Dear all, we request you all to settle down, please. Request you all to please sit down and take your seat. We'll start the program in a short while. Now that Maveli is already come. Everyone please take your seat. We'll start the program. Request you all to please sit down, please. People standing in the corner. Good morning to all of you and welcome to the Onam Celebrations 2010 for Celestial Greens. I've been here for about 5 years now, and all these years I've been seeing these events happening, the Onam Celebrations every year. And the best part is actually nice that the organizing committee is actually able to come up and improvise every year with a different thing. And Maveli has also been visiting us for the last 3 years. We'll ask him a few questions about that. And I'm also glad that every year we are even improving, and I'd like to mention some of the paintings done by the children that you are seeing on their sides. This is actually contribute. This is one of they've been putting a lot of hard work. I've been seeing these boards on the deep for a while, and they've done it out. So let's put again a big hand for the children. So before we start off, Maveli, welcome to Bangalore. Welcome to Celestial Greens.
Ellavarkum Onashamsagal. Happy Onam. I think in Kannada Onashamsagalu. Is it right?
I don't know.
For the benefit of I see a lot of, whenever I come to Celestial Greens, I'm very happy because very, very colorful. And this is the 3rd year I'm coming to Celestial Greens. And actually I'm very sorry to keep you waiting. I actually had come from Trivandrum, and as soon as I left my palace, there was a hartal and I was stuck on the road. Nothing new, which I should have expected. I had spoken to my friend Mr. Achyutanandan, but he nearly kicked me out of the house. So then I reached here, the traffic, but I'm very happy to see you all every year. And especially this is new, this is nice, and the paintings, very nice, very colorful. The children have done a wonderful job. But next time, please, Maveli, please put the real photo, not a cartoon. I would appreciate that. Anyway, I don't want to take much of your time because it's already late. So happy Onam for all of you, and I was told that a lot of programs. I'm waiting to see them, and have a nice time. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. You've been coming here for 3 years. So what is it that you've been seeing as a change that you think is there at Celestial Greens?
Actually, the only change I saw, there is one brick kept on that building. Otherwise, it looks the same. There's only one brick on the right side. You know, yeah. I noticed that. That is the change I noticed.
Yeah, that building is very.
And then I couldn't land my Pushpak Vimanam anyway because of the bridges. What are the bridges for?
They're not bridges, they're flyovers.
Okay. So these are the changes I saw. Yeah.
And what about Celestial Greens aspect? What do you think? Is there I know you just said it's got a very colorful. Anything else you want to add?
I think you're also in recession, if I'm not mistaken. Last time I was received from the gate. This time I was received from the door. So small. No, that's okay. I first of all, to carry all this and walk from the bottom floor is difficult for me, you know. So,
next time.
So it is from the door is okay. I'm fine.
Yeah, we'll actually construct a helipad next time, so you can land directly on the.
That will be very good, very good. And if you have a lift from the helipad to the auditorium, will be better. Okay, thank you. Anything else? What are the programs lined up?
We have children are going to present a lot of events. There's going to be a skit. There's going to be dances by the. Most of the dance are with children. Some people are going to sing. They're going to show their talent. It's going to be wonderful, just like every Onam.
See, since you're in Bangalore, I would suggest a thing that at least a 10-minute talk on Onam. To our friends who are not from Kerala. At least they will know what Onam is and why are we celebrating this. Because on my way, I met even Santa Claus. He was asking me, what is this? Actually, he got scared looking at me, you know. So then I had to explain to him. So like that, you have to explain to all the... I suggest that. Alright.
Yeah, Bhaveli, just one more thing. You've been in Pathalam for a long time.
Yeah.
It's been more than so many years.
Pathal. Now don't not say Pathalam, it's Pathal.
Okay. So ever since you've been there, what is the new things? There are a lot of things happening in the world. How do you have a time for entertainment and all in Pathalam? You have TV. We have TV channels.
Actually, I talked to my friend Mr. Ambani. He is from Bombay. I don't know if you know. He installed 2 dishes for me. You know. Yeah. So I can see everybody, all the programs worldwide. And I see only Indian channels only about Mr. Rahu Kalmadi. Only his face comes on the TV 24 hours. I mean, I don't understand.
But there is something happening in Delhi. You can ignore that.
One more thing I have heard. Last time when I came, I had a what you call Sambharam.
Yeah.
There was a Tattakada. What happened to that?
Paveli, I think we can we skip that topic or you want to still know it?
A typical Mallu.
Okay, I'll tell you, I'm sorry, but actually that Sambaram shop, it started and then after some time when business didn't go well, that became a Arak shop and then he had to close it down.
So I'd like to take all of your leave because there are a lot of programs coming and I have to visit the brigade apartment also. So please give me leave. Happy Onam to all of you and thank you for receiving.
Thank you all. Thank you, Paveli. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you very much and we'll see you again next year.